Alrighty folks, welcome back to another video, boys and girls. So today we're just gonna talk about the modifications that I've done on the bike, an updated video. As you can see, one of my more popular videos is one of the my other modifications video, but that was like 9 months ago. Show you some changes, maybe go a little bit more in depth, in detail. Because someone was asking, I'm not sure if he's seen that video, but yeah, someone's been asking me to make this video, so here it is. So let's talk about just the front end first, and then we'll swing back to the back and, you know, talk about everything in between. So what I have in the front right here is your Hepco and Baker headlight guard. I got it off of motomachines.com. If you're in Virginia, they actually have a store in Sterling, so you can go just pick it up. I actually ordered this and they messaged me and they said, you actually live near us, you want to just come by and pick it up and save yourself some shipping. So they were nice enough to do that. So I really appreciate them. Good people to work with. I would definitely be purchasing something from them again, but this is all I have from them so far. I wanted something like this instead of like the other headlight guard. It just looks more like a Jurassic Park adventure bike type of deal. Look, my dog. Okay, so since we're up here, might as well just swing down. This is my Hyper Pro steering dampener or stabilizer, whatever you want to call it. I believe this is the progressive version. I forget what it really means. I think it means like, what is it? I know what it means, but I don't know how to speak it out right now, because the other one doesn't adapt, but this one adapts or something like that, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, maybe I'm just dumb, but yeah. So I got the Hyper Pro stabilizer with eBay brackets and the triple tree clamp. Okay, I bought it at first and I didn't realize that it did not have the hardware to come with to, you know, install it. So I was like, I'm not gonna pay another $75 shipping from Germany and then have it come, you know, whenever. So I just bought it off eBay, 70 bucks. So if you guys want to know, it does fit and it still works. So save you some money. Just buy yourself the dampener itself, and then use the bracket and the hardware, the triple tree and stuff, you know, elsewhere. Saves you some money right there. There's a little quick tip of mine. Oh, behind the headlight guard is a Laminex yellow tint. You can just get yellow tint anywhere you want. I got it from Laminex, and I think it's kind of, dang, is it off-centered for me? I really fucked it up. I suck. Oh, whatever. Swinging up here, we got your Womet Tech clutch lever from TST Industries, and this is your brake lever over here. My only complaint, I don't know if y'all can kind of see it, but this is a blue. I really wish it was all black, because this one's black, but it just feels a little, I don't know why they just ruins my bike a little bit, because it has a random navy blue or like a dark blue, you know. Okay, obviously we have a Quad Lock Pro with the stabilizer as well. Let's move down onto here since we missed it. We got an EvoTech spindle set for the front and rear. I'll show you the rear later. But I did a installation video like literally like a couple weeks ago, so it's a fairly new video. Check that out if you want to see how it looks like. So this is the cockpit. We got your double take trail mirrors. People are saying they didn't see my mirrors. There they are. Some Puig grips, a little thicker than your stock, but real nice. Got the metal right here. And then onto here are my Rizoma bar ends. I'll link everything in the description, guys. Don't worry. Moving on to the center right here. This is my Graves gas cap. I get asked a lot about this too. Just look up your MT09 and make sure you just have these 3 bolts right here. It'll fit. And it's no lock. Yeah, it's just a simple, you know, twist off. I like it like that. Let's move it down to here then too. I get questions about these a lot. You guys might not like it. I mean, I only like it because I didn't really want like a rubber or like I know this is rubber too, but like, what is it? You know, the eBay one. I just didn't want that matte look. Just want to see like the actual paint of the car. The bike a little bit. But it's from these grips are from Stomp Grip, and I just outlined the eBay tank grips. And plus they grip. I like the little studs, you know. I guess we can go to the obvious right here too. This is your Kelpi custom Moto seat with the ribbed suede leather, and then your regular just smooth leather, right? So these are like one of the first ones, so I know the newer ones will look a little different, like they'll have like a logo somewhere else, a logo on the back. But since I got it, like, you know, what is this little speck? I got it new, like new, one of the very first to get these seats. So there is no stitching anywhere except for the front of this. No logo, I mean, anywhere. So it's just a clean seat. This is what I love about it. Like, don't get me wrong, I love logos, but I'm glad that Jock put mine on the center right here. Alright, let's move on down. I missed over here. So these are your TST Pod Echo lights, or Echo Pod lights, whatever you want to say. Let's turn them on. Alright. Turn on the emergency. Or there you go. Fairly bright. So I got them for the front. Hey buddy. And I got them for the rear. Looks good, you know. Everything's from TST Industries, guys. This license plate holder as well, the tucked with the light. That's neat. Did y'all know that? I didn't know that. So if you were to leave this on, right, and you turn your key off, it leaves that on. I didn't know that. And if you try to click it, it won't go away unless you turn your key on. Okay, I did not know that. Either that's like a malfunction or that's just a feature. You got your frame sliders from Womet Tech as well, TST Industries. Oh, another quick note, if you want to get, so they come stock with these silver bands around it. If you want to get the silver ones, I mean black ones, you gotta purchase it, you know, another set. We can go down to the engine covers right here. These are from GB Racing. They're not really from there, but I got them off Amazon. They look close enough, look nice. They cover. I just wanted something black. Alright, clutch cover. Over here is the water pumping. Yeah. While we're over here too, we got the sprocket cover from eBay. Now I kind of want to change it because it is exposing this and I don't really like it, so I might change it to like a carbon or something. Then we got the foot stand, like expander, whatever you want to call it, makes the bigger footprint. And then let's move over here. We got some Puig foot pegs. Just some sport foot pegs, you know. You can find them anywhere. I got them off of, I'm pretty sure, Revzilla. Yeah. And then here, I get a lot of questions about these two because I asked a lot of questions to other people as well. So I'll give you the sauce. So this is from Urbani Bruno, and this is their Faster Sun side carters. You can, they get shipped from Italy, and it doesn't take too long. But these are clean. They're easy to install as well. I have a video on that if you need. You know, while we're on here too, this is my Kelpi Shorty exhaust in the black Cerakote. I've been planning to change since I scratched that the reservoir cover. I need to change that. Anyways, this is my exhaust. I'll play a sound clip at the end, but it's beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. It's so much better in person, but on camera it sucks, in my opinion. And then let's move on back to here, which is the video I've also done, which is my rear hugger. This is from Carbon to Race. It's a satin matte. At first I didn't like it. It's growing on me. I still would like it to be more matte. So if anybody in the Virginia area wants to buy this off of me so that I can buy a different one, let me know. Some spools and some sliders as well, but this is from Womet Tech and this is from Evo Tech. And I think that's about it, everybody. These are my second set of S22s. Haven't really gone through them. Oh, forgot my radiator guard from I think, oh yeah, eBay. It's just an XSR900, just basic guard. If y'all have any other questions about the bike, let me know. Hold it. I'm sorry, but he hates when I do these videos, man. He's like, I'm so sad. You never pay attention to me whenever you do these.
Where is it, my guy? Where is it, man? You don't want to be in the... Okay. Okay.